Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Minute Art. My name is Savannah and today I'm going to be drawing Harry Potter but in Bluey style. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with a kind of rounded rectangle. But leave some space for the feet, the hair, and the arms. Since Bluey style uses the softer, rounder shapes, I'm going to be trying to stick to that so everything's smooth. Then I'm going to add these two little circles. No, he doesn't have that big of eyes. I'm just doing that. And we're gonna bring these back. I'm just doing that for the glasses. Then we're gonna be drawing these little circles and a little circle inside for the highlight and color in the rest of it. Okay. Now we're going to add a little nose, and we'll do that by doing a line and then kind of curve it into another line, just like that. Now we're going to add a small little curved mouth, like that, and I'm going to add little cheeks in one corner. Now we're going to do the hair. So I'm going to do kind of zigzaggy shapes, because he is very untidy, as the book says, messy black hair. Just like that. And using just simple zigzag shapes. And then we'll draw simple little arms, which will go down, down, curve, go down, down, and then curve. It's a little lopsided, but that's okay. A little ones for the fingers. He could be shrugging, or he could do some sort of other pose. That's what I like to do with my art. Turn your mistakes into something great. So we're going to add the Hogwarts robe. And we're going to add two little lines, but don't close them up at the end. Right in between, draw a little rectangle for the tie. Make it go out at the bottom, just like that. It looks like a little dress right now. And then put it in to make a little tie or diamond shape. Then close it up and add the stripes. Then in one hand, I'm going to add his little wand. You can add little sparkles right if you want to. And then we're going to add the feet. Gonna do a line, then a line, a line, and then a line. Then we're going to curve, just like this. If you want more help on drawing Bluey, you can look at my How to Draw Bluey. And then we're gonna add two little curves for the shoes. And then, this looks great, but we're missing one thing, color. The colors I'm using is a warm gray, or you can use a black, toner gray, or just a regular old gray, bright red or just red. And then I have this one, it's kind of funny, it's called Nugget. So you can use a yellow. And then this is called Soft Sun. And I'm going to mix a bit of pink flamingo to make it like a peachy color. So let's start coloring.